In front of me is OPPO Reno11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by launching recorder and tapping on allow in all pop-ups. Then click on those three dots at the top right corner before recording and select settings to adjust all of those however you need to. Then go back, tap on red button, select allow, and as you can see recording is on. To discard it right away, hit cancel at the top left corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. To pause it or unpause it, use the same red button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to add a photo mark on the right one. Now switch your camera to the preferable one. And then to discard your picture, click on X on the left. To add it, on check mark on the right. Following that, hit save at the top right corner to end and save your recording. Name it, hit save again, and tap on it on the list to play it. Now you can click on those options at the bottom to adjust it. Like for example, skip silence. To apply your changes, hit done at the top left corner. If you wish to get rid of your recording, hold it on the list. Tap on delete at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!